Hello, what's up, guys? This is your boy C King, and I'm back again with a banger, right? So today we're gonna actually talk. I'm gonna give you or suggest some books that you can read to up your forex skills, right? And if you're new here, I want you to just take a minute, right? Like the video, and subscribe, right? It's gonna help us a lot. Like and subscribe is gonna really help us a lot. Anyways, let's move on. In this forest game, right, I feel that one of the aspects that is not really talked about is actually education, right? Getting the skills. And under that aspect, reading is not really considered, especially when beginners start trading, they don't really want to read, right? And that is actually really bad because reading books, obviously, forex books and other kind of books actually broadens your mind and helps you ups your trading game, right? Your forex game. And if you've been actually following my channel till this point, you know that I'm a self-taught trader. I taught myself, and there are some books that really helped me, right? There were some situations I got myself into. There were some points that I felt that I wasn't gonna be able to trade anymore, but some books really helped me. Some actually books also gave me some concepts, right? The concept of the market. It really opened that concept of the market for me. And today I'm going to share with you the books that actually helped me to up my forex skills, right? These books upped my forex skills. This is what I recommend. There might be many more, right? There might be many more quality forex books, but these are the books I myself read that helped me. So you can take it with a grain of salt, but let's move on, right? So the first one that I want to talk to you about is naked forex. Now, I really love naked forex, right? It gave me insights of many things, right? And it actually basically talks about price action of the market, the movement, how the market behaves. And this is actually really good for new beginners and even experts as much. I almost, like, let's say, almost every month go through this book, honestly, because it helps me, and it helped me a lot. So you can see a snippet, you be analyzing charts, like we'll be talking about the trend of the market, how market behaves, everything, right? And it's actually really good. I recommend this 100%, right? As a beginner or an expert, you must read this. You must read this, right? So let's go to the second one. The second one I recommend is the Candlestick Trading Bible, which is by Munhisa Homer. Right? I hope I pronounced the name correctly. But this book honestly deals with the candlesticks, basically. How the patterns of the candlesticks, the patterns of the market, and the candlesticks, which types of candlesticks and their meanings. So basically, what this book offers is you're gonna be able to read what the market is saying in your real chart, right? So you're gonna have maybe the bullish pattern, the engulfing patterns, the dodges, and these kind of stuff. Is gonna explain to them why and how to trade these kind of stuff, right? And you can see a snippet here. You can see with this page, it show the bearish engulfing bar, and this is actually gonna teach you a lot, right? You're gonna get all the candlesticks patterns here. I think yes, all of them, because it's really good here. Anyways, the next one I wanted to talk to you about is the Disciplined Trader by Mark Douglas. Now, the Disciplined Trader, even though it's not going to teach you any strategy or anything like that, it deals with your psychology and discipline. It deals with your psychology and discipline. And Mark Douglas really did well with this, because it has helped me a lot on several occasions. It shows you, it tells you what to do in some kind of situations, right? You won't be able to always get the market winning. You won't be able to be winning every time, and you wouldn't be able to sometimes even keeping your positions open, right? It's even a problem, right? You learn so much more with this, and it's really good, right? You can see a snippet here, unlimited potential for profit and loss, right? You need to really I actually really love this chapter 4, right? You get the book and read this chapter 4. You're gonna get so much insight here, so many. All right, let's go to the next one, which is technical analysis of the financial markets. This is by John Murphy, and it is actually like the Naked Forex book, but a little bit more detailed and more complex. This is I wanted to recommend this straight for beginners, right? I would recommend you to read the Naked Forex first, and once you actually get a little more understanding of the markets, you can actually hop on this. But this is really a great book, right? As I told you, it's a little bit more complex. With what it says, but it's also talking about patterns. As you know, it's talking about technical analysis, right? So it's talking about the price actions, how the market moves, everything here. So you can see a snippet, right, giving you some strategy and how the market moves, a bullish symmetrical triangle here, and it's really good, really good. But I recommend it for people who have actually read some other books, or people who actually have some in-depth knowledge of the markets first, because you're gonna be overwhelmed if you just start reading this book. You're really gonna be overwhelmed here. Anyways, let's go on to the last one, or the next one. I don't know if it's the last one or the next one, but anyways, um, the next one is the trading in the zone. It's also a psychology book for traders. And it's also by Mark Douglas, right? It really is one of the best books I've read on psychology here. It is really one of the most, like, once you read it, you're gonna understand so much more with the psychology, right? You're gonna understand so much more. It opens your mind into certain parts of trading that you never even thought were there, right? And I really love this game, right? Also saved me several times, many times, right? So as you see, there is the snippet here, shift to mental analysis, and you can also start reading here. You can come in and read here, but it's gonna give you so much more on psychology and discipline, and that is what I love, right? Anyways, if you are still with me here, congratulations. This is actually the end of the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, right? And you can also join my Telegram channel, which you saw at the beginning of the video. If you have any questions, you can leave them in the comments. Also, you can also write me via email. Reach out to me via my other social platforms, Instagram, anywhere. I'm gonna reply to you. If you want these books too, right? You can purchase them on Amazon and every place, anywhere, or you can actually come to me via Telegram and ask me. I'm gonna also try to give you these books, right? So this is C King. I'm out.